Hey everyone, welcome to the new year, which means the start of a new monthly app challenge. For January, we are unveiling our theme of astronomy, where you will be able to create games and apps based around our monthly theme. Shell apps will be provided so that you will be able to modify them any way you please. These modifications can range from simply modifying the appearance of the apps to changing major parts of them, such as how the stars are generated on our second astronomy app. This is our first app, which is Astronomy Tic-Tac-Toe. This app is meant for the beginners and should serve as a good way to introduce yourself to our monthly app challenge program. This is our second app for the month of January, which is a constellation maker. In this app, you will be able to generate constellations based on randomly placed stars. Additionally, we do have our Fundamentals of Web Design room, which serves as a way to help introduce people to the basics of coding and web design. Since you've seen all the different apps that we're offering this month, and if you're still debating on whether you should join our monthly app challenge program, we just want to say that certificates and prizes will be awarded to the participant who shows strong technical as well as creative design skills. With that being said, we can't wait to see how you show your knowledge of astronomy through these apps. Our workshops are hosted every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Pacific Time. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website, and have a good